Hi, this is John. Come back over to storage to take some more pictures or video of my Roadstar. The other video I posted on web has the stock exhaust. These are the long shot exhaust. You see they're a lot longer. Took me about an hour and a half to change them out. The stock exhaust comes with it if you want them. I prefer this. I'm a firm believer in loud pipes save lives. There's an issue brought up to me about if there was any work of what I would categorize this as. I would categorize this bike in a 9.5 condition. There's a, on the crash bar, there's a small rust spot there. And on the other side, there's a rust spot there at the bottom of the crash bar. I'm going to go ahead and start this. You guys to hear the difference in the other pipes. There's a dramatic difference in the sound of this pipe. It sounds much better. That nice low sound good. Not too loud, far enough to the back. And whenever you're going down the road, it doesn't blow your ears out or you don't have to listen to them. Anyways, there you have it. I hope that's answered all your questions. If you want to know anything else about this bike, give me a call on the number on the Craigslist. And looking forward to talking with you. Thank you.